Dear children, in the last video we learned how to estimate the correlation, and I introduced two methods of estimating the correlation which is developed by two statisticians. One is by Spearman, known as Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, and the other one is Karl Pearsons correlation coefficient. Now today we will learn Karl Pearsons correlation coefficient method by correlation coefficient by three methods. One by shortcut method, direct method and step deviation method. Now let us see how Karl Pearson has estimated the correlation with these three methods: direct, shortcut and step deviation method. Now the topic is Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient, direct, shortcut and step deviation method. Now as per the direct method, the formula to calculate the Karl Pearsons correlation coefficient, it is the formula is R. Karl Pearsons correlation coefficient is represented by the letter R. R is equal to sigma xy by root of sigma x square into sigma y square. Now let us see what is this x, what is this y, and how to calculate sigma x square, sigma y square, etc. Now this is an example given for you. These are the two variables. So you know what do we learn in correlation? Relationship between two variables. X can be one variable, y is another variable. Okay, so in order to know the relationship between the two variables, we are going to learn we are going to learn the relationship with the direct method of Karl Pearsons correlation coefficient. Now this is an example for you. The x variable values are given as 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Y variables are given as 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 and 18. Now let us see how to calculate R with the direct method. Now as per the formula, R is equal to sigma xy by root of sigma x square into sigma y square. Now we are going to calculate all those values. Now in this table I have written both direct method and shortcut method, but for the time being we will concentrate on the direct method. Now these are the x variables, that is 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Y variables are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Now as per the formula we have to find out the following values. They are sigma x and y. What is this x and y? This is small x and small y. Let us see what is the small x and small y. Then you have to find out sigma of small x square and sigma of small y square. Now the small y and small x is different from the x variable and the y variable. We are going to find out the small x and small y from the big X and big Y variable. Okay. Now let us see how do we find the small x and small y. Now the small x which I have written here, small x and small y, small x and small y here also. How do you find that? That small x is equal to x minus x bar. What is this x bar? You know it is found by using the mean, isn't it? X bar is arithmetic mean, x bar. So small x is equal to this big X, the x values which I have given here, x minus x bar. How will you find out x bar? X bar is equal to, how will you find out x bar? Sigma x by n. You all know that, isn't it? X bar is equal to sigma x by n. How do we find the arithmetic mean? The same way, sigma x by n. So sigma x, you have to find out the total of 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. The total you will get it as 147. This 147 divided by 7, n means number of observations. Isn't it? Here there is no frequency, nothing. So it is number of observation. How many numbers? Number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 147 divided by 7 we will be getting as 21. So x bar is 21. So small x is x minus x bar. These given x values like 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30 minus x bar. The value of x bar is 21. So when you do that, what will you get? The first one is 12x minus x bar, 12 minus 21, you will be getting the answer as minus 9. Likewise, 15 minus 21, that is minus 6. 18 minus 21, that is minus 3. 21 minus 21, 0. The next value is 3, 6 and 9. These are the values of small x. Now we have to double that x. So 9 9s are 81, 36, 9, 0, 9, 36 and 81. So you have to find out the square of those values. So these are the values of x square. Okay. Likewise, you have the y variable, which is given in the question, isn't it? The y variable which is given in the question. This is a question and this is the value of y variable. So y variable is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Once again, which is given in your question, that is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So in the table I have written that question y variable here. Now, how will you find out the small y? Small y is found from the big Y. How will you find small y is equal to big Y minus y bar? Y bar is the same as you have found as for x bar. X bar is equal to sigma x by n. Therefore, y bar is also equal to sigma y by n. What is sigma y? That means you have to total all these values and you have to find out sigma y. Your sigma y is 84. 84 divided by the total number of observation is 7. Therefore, 84 by 7 you will get it as 12. Now, you have to find out y minus y bar. So, y bar is 12. So, y bar has to be deducted from this y. Okay. So, 6 minus 12 minus 6. 8 minus 12 minus 4, 10 minus 12 minus 2, 12 minus 12 0. The other values are 2, 4 and 6. Now the small y has to be squared, y square. We need y square, isn't it? Because in the formula we have sigma x square into sigma y square, isn't it? Therefore we need y square. So when you square it, 6 6 are 36, then next value 16, 4, 0, 4, 16 and 36 will be the value. Now the next you need is x into y, small x into small y. Therefore, we have to multiply small x and small y. This is the value of small x and this is the value of small y, isn't it? Minus 9 into minus 6, you will get it as 54. Isn't it? So, here minus 6 into minus 4, you will get it as 24. Likewise, the other values are minus 3 into minus 2. See, this is small y, this is small x. So, small x into small y, minus 3 into minus 2, you will get it as 6. So, the rest of the values are 0, 6, 24 and 54. Now, these are the values which you need for the direct method. So, with this we have found all the values and after that you have to find out sigma total of all these. Okay, I have found the total here. The total is sigma x square is 252, sigma y square is 112, sigma xy is 168. Now we are going to apply the values as per the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, as per this formula we are going to apply the value. Okay, I have written the formula once again for you. R is equal to sigma xy by root of sigma x square into root of x square into sigma y square. Now, sigma x into y, you know the value is 168 as per the table, isn't it? 168 divided by the root of, you know the value sigma x square and sigma y square. Sigma x square value is 252, sigma y square value is 112. So, you have to multiply both these and find out the root of that. So, the root of 28,224 you have to find out. So, as per the long division method, when you do that already, which you have learned in 10th standard, as per the long division method, the square root when you find, you will get the answer as 168, the root of 28,224. You will be getting the square root, the value as 168. Therefore, 168 divided by 168, you will get the value as positive 1. So it is a perfect positive correlation. So you have already learned, if it is positive 1, what will be the relationship between the two variables? It is a perfect positive correlation. This is how you have to find out the correlation. So Karl Pearson has helped us to find out the coefficient correlation between the two variables. So from the answer that you are getting, you have to write the comment whether it is positive correlation, whether it is perfect positive, whether it is negative, or whether it is perfect negative, etc. So here you know it is positive 1, therefore it is perfect positive correlation. As it is 1, it is a perfect positive correlation. Now this is as per the direct method. Now we will move on to the next method, that is shortcut method. Now let us see what is the formula of shortcut method. The shortcut method, the following formula is used to find out R. R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy by n by the root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx the whole square by n into the root of sigma dy square minus sigma dy the whole square divided by n. So here the deviation you need to find out. If you want to find out the deviation, what has to come to your mind? Assumed mean you have to find out, isn't it? That is what is meant by dx. So how will you find out the dx from the x value? We will go back to the table where I have written initially. Dx, how will you find out dx? Dx is x minus a, x minus a. Now take the x variable. X variables are 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 28. We have to take one value of x as assumed mean. Let us take this 18 as the assumed mean. Let us take 18 as the assumed mean. 18 is the assumed mean for the x value. Okay, now 18 is the assumed mean. So from this assumed mean, you have to find out the deviation of all other x values. Okay, therefore it will be 12 minus 18, that is minus 6, isn't it? Then 15 minus 18, that is minus 3. Then 18 minus 18, 0. Then comes 21 minus 18, 3. You have done this deviation in the when we calculated mean, isn't it? The same way you have to find out the deviation, that is x minus a. Then 24 minus 18. So as per that calculation, the values are minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6, 9 and 12. After this, you have to square this deviation, dx square. Why do we need dx square? Because in the formula we need dx square, isn't it? Dx square we need, isn't it? So you have to find out dx square. You have to square that dx. When you square it, 6 into 6, 36, minus 3 into 3, 9, then here 0, 9, 36, 81, 12 into 12, 144. Like how you found dx, you have to find dy also. How to find out dy? Dy is equal to y minus a. That means from the y variable, this is y variable question, isn't it? You have to take one assumed mean here too. Let us take 10 as the assumed mean. Now when you take 10 as the assumed mean, you have to find out the deviation dy. What is that dy? Y minus a. That means 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. 8 minus 10, minus 2. 10 minus 10, 0. 12 minus 10, 2. Like that, the other values are 4, 6 and 8. Okay. Now, you have to square that dy because you need dy square in your formula. Okay. Dy square you need. So, you have to square the deviation. When you square it, you will get it as minus 4 into minus 4, 16. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4, 0, 4, 16, 36 and 8 into 8, 64. Then you need the next value dx into dy. Let us check the formula. You need dx into dy. Dx into dy. Okay. Now, what is the value of dx into dy? Let us see. Dx into dy are, this is dx and this is This is dx and this is dy. Okay, minus 6 into minus 4, 24. Minus 3 into minus 2, 6. Other values are 0, 6, 24, 54 and 96. Like that you have to find out the total of all the columns that you have made. Dx, total of dx you have to find, that is 21. Total of dx square you have to find, that is 315. Total of dy you have to find, that is 14. Total of dy square, that is 140. Then total of dx and dy 210, because as per the formula we need the values of all these. Okay, now let us apply the values as per the formula. That is, first one is r is equal to sigma dx dy. What is sigma dx dy? This is sigma dx dy, isn't it? 210. Sigma dx dy is 210 minus sigma dx into sigma dy. What is sigma dx into sigma dy? So you have to find out sigma dx into sigma dy. Okay, so we will write down the values of sigma dy. Sigma dy is 14. Okay, sigma dy is 14. So 210 minus 210 minus 21 into 14. 210 minus 21 into 14 divided by 7. I have written it here, I have simplified and written it here. You can look at here, as per the formula we have written the values, that is 210 minus 21 into 14, isn't it? Sigma dx into sigma dy. Sigma dy is 14, sigma dx is 21 and 14. Okay, 21 into 14 divided by n. N, you know, it is 7. Only 7 variables are there here, by the root of sigma dx square. What is sigma dx square? Total of dx square. See, 315. This is the value, 315. 315 minus sigma dx, already you know, it is 21 the whole square. 21 the whole square. It is 21 the whole square divided by 7 into root of sigma dy square. What is sigma dy square? Sigma dy square is 140. Sigma dy square is 140 minus sigma dy, already you know, it is 14. 14 the whole square divided by 7. Now when you simplify it, you will get it as 210 minus 42 by root of 252 into root of 112. Now 210 minus 42, you know, it is 168. Root of 252 as per the long division method, it is 15.87. As per the long division method, root of 112 is 10.58. So 168 divided by, when you multiply these two, we will get the values 168. Therefore 168 by 168 is equal to 1. So here also you have proved with the shortcut method that the relation between the two variables are perfect positive correlation. Now we will move on to the next method, that is step deviation method. Now in the step deviation method, the only difference is that instead of dx and dy, you will be using it as dx dash and dy dash. What do the dash represents? You know what is dx? X minus a. What is dx dash? X minus a by c. What is c? Common factor. Because you know this step deviation method thoroughly, because we have learned in while we have done the problems related to arithmetic mean. Okay, so it is x minus a by c, and what is dy dash y minus a by c. C is the common factor. So what common factor exists for x variable and y variable? That can be taken as the c. Now let us see what is the formula for step deviation method. R is equal to the same as we have written for direct method. The only difference is that we will write it as dx dash dy dash. Sigma dx dash dy dash minus sigma dx dash into sigma dy dash by n, the whole divided by root of sigma dx dash square minus sigma dx dash the whole square by n into the root of sigma dy dash square minus sigma dy dash the whole square divided by n. This is what we have to do with related to step deviation method. Now for that we have to frame out dx dash, then dy dash, then we have to find out dx dash square, dy dash square, then dx dash into dy dash as per the formula. We need dx dash into dy dash. See, dx dash into dy dash. Now what is dx dash? X minus a by c. What was a? A we took it as, for x variable we took a as what? 18. X minus a by c. C, what is c here? You know c is the common factor in x variable, isn't it? 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So c can be 3. So as per the x variable, the common factor is 3. So in the case of x variable, common factor is 3. Therefore, x minus a by c. So you know what is x minus a? What is x minus a? Dx is x minus a, isn't it? Dx is x minus a. This is dx. This is x minus a. Divided by c, you will get as dx dash. So minus 6 by 3, what you will get? It should be minus 3, isn't it? Let us check, isn't it? So x minus minus 6 by 3, you should get it as minus 2. So here what I have written is minus 2. So your first dx as per the table, your first dx is minus 6, isn't it? X minus a by c. C means 3. Minus 6 by 3 should be minus 2. Your first value is minus 2. Here, minus 3 is x minus a. Minus 3 by 3. 3 is the common factor. Minus 3 by 3 should be minus 1, isn't it? Let us check whether the next value is minus 1. Yes, it is minus 1. So, next values are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now likewise dy dash, it is y minus a by c. What is y minus a by c? Now here in the table you can find dy is y minus a. We took 10 as the assumed mean for y, isn't it? Y minus a means what? 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. By c, what will you take as common factor in y variable? Because let us see, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So, in terms of y variable here, common factor is 2. Therefore, y minus a by c means minus 4 divided by 2. It should be minus 2. Let us see whether it is minus 2. Yes, it is minus 2. So likewise you have to find out y minus a by c. The rest of the values are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you have to square both dx dash and dy dash. So when you square it, you will get it as minus 2 into minus 2, 4, minus 1 into minus 1, 1, then 1, 4, 9 and 16. Likewise here also it is 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16. Then you need the product of dx dash and dy dash. Now that means from the table you need to multiply dx dash and dy dash. Okay, you have to find out the dx dash. How will you find out the dx dash? You know it is x minus a by c. Dx dash and dy dash. You have to multiply. So minus 2 into minus 2, 4. minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 0 into 0, 1. So 1, 4, 9 and 16 are the rest of the values. After that you have to find out the total of each column, okay, for applying it in the formula. Okay, now when we apply it in the formula, what will you get? Let us see. Dx dash, sigma dx dash into dy dash. What is sigma dx dash into dy dash? The total of this is 35. Okay, so 35 minus sigma dx dash, the whole square by n, isn't it? Sorry, it is sigma dx dash and sigma dy dash is 35 minus sigma dx dash into sigma dy dash. Let us see what is sigma dx dash. Sigma dx dash is equal to sigma dx dash is equal to 35, sigma dy dash, sorry, sigma dx dash is equal to 7, sigma dy dash is equal to 7. Both are 7. Therefore, we have applied that in the formula. It is 7 into 7 divided by n. N means number of variables. Okay, then divided by sigma dx dash square. What is sigma dx dash square? 35. Okay, 35 minus sigma dx, already you know it is 7, the whole square divided by 7, n is number of variables, by the root of sigma dy dash square. What is sigma dy dash square? Because you know sigma dy dash square is also 35. Okay, 35 minus sigma dy dash, you know it is 7, the whole square divided by number of variables is 7. So when you simplify all these, you will get it as 28 divided by the root of 28 into root of 28. So root of 28 into root of 28, you know it is 28. So 28 divided by 28, you will get the answer as 1. So with all the three methods, we have proved that the relationship between these two variables are perfect positive correlation. So this is all about the Karl Pearsons correlation coefficient. You have to be very thorough with all the formulas given for all the three methods: direct, shortcut and step deviation methods. So learn the formula and work out the problems at home. Thank you.